We are going to answer this question: what objects to choose? This is one of the most important tasks that you have in creating the exhibition. It is crucial to know what to choose and, more importantly, what not to choose. That's very important. As I told you before, do not choose your biology IA, for example, or methods that you use. Those are not objects. These things don't have real life usage. So these are not objects. Instead, choose the device or devices that you used, or maybe the test results or test result sheets or something like that. These can be objects. Do not use a NASA program or a mission. These are not objects. Instead, choose the official tweet or any kind of tweet from some important person, maybe, about the programs and missions. Do not choose anything generic. That's what IB always advises. Be specific. And although you can download photos from internet, you can absolutely not use stock images. Never use. For example, you want to talk about something scientific, you want to talk about something, some musical instrument, you want to talk about some ancient device, some ancient ways of writing, some ancient something, go and search the image that has been taken from that exact object. Don't go to one of these stock images and search for a piano. If you want to use piano, it should be someone's piano. It should be your piano. It should be some musician's piano. I don't know. It should be specific. Don't be generic. Another key weakness of this exhibition is that the objects selected are overly generic. I'm reading two examiners' comment when students chose really bad objects. This exhibition received 3 out of 10, which is really bad. And this is the examiner's comment. Another key weakness of this exhibition is that the objects selected are overly generic. Rather than generic objects such as a laptop, the student needed to identify objects that have a specific real-world context, objects that exist in a particular time and place, which means my laptop that I use this year to study. Next one, the exhibition is a total failure. 1. A key issue is that the 3 objects included in this exhibition are not specific objects, but instead are highly generic images. For example, food. The student chosen the food. Don't do that. I hope you get the point, how to be specific. Another thing is keep it simple. Like, although some cultures and teachers, I know, I've worked with them, coming from those cultures or teaching in those societies, that find complexity and long text as a sign of proper and good knowledge. But as Albert Einstein said, genius is making complex ideas simple, not making simple ideas complex. So the simpler your object, the better to be connected and explained. And be relatable. Try to bring objects that are relatable. Although this is not a must, and due to age and probably cultural differences, the chances of you and your teacher relating to same objects is low, I know. But still try not to choose something very hard to relate to. Something, don't be too and don't be overly specific this time. And beauty. Although nobody has ever asked for the objects or the photographs to be beautiful, still, it is an exhibition. No ugly images or items bring good reception for an exhibition. So don't make your exhibition ugly. What are we going to talk about next? Yes, another very important part, writing the commentaries. See you on the next lesson. Take care.